My city.
A place where
Everyone should have the opportunity to thrive.
It takes all of us.
All of us.
all of us.
It takes all of us.
Taking one step.
Extending a hand.
Doing one good thing at a time.
To pursue
Racial healing.
Like inviting someone over for dinner.
Or on a walk.
Or out for coffee.
asking questions.
Answering questions.
Asking questions.
Answering questions.
Listening.
Pursuing relationships.
With intentionality.
Perseverance.
Tenacity. Walking together.
Sharing stories.
And meals.
Laughter.
And tears.
Journeying through life.
Together.
Together.
Will you?
Will you?
Will you?
Will you walk with us?
Will you walk with us?
Join us.
For Unite KC's Walk for Unity.
Let's journey together.